Hi, fellow crafters. Let's make this easy keychains hand sanitizer holder.
Okay, let's go.
So you can get this designer template off of my website at isewithjoy.com. And I am using faux leather. I've also linked that in my bio. So if you want to purchase or you want to know which one I used, you can see it there. Make sure you select in the faux leather option. Adjust your pressure if you need to. And then just hit go. Make sure when you put it on, put your faux leather fabric on your mat, you are putting it in the right position. So this one took less than 3 minutes to cut. Actually, I don't even know if it took a full minute. It was very, very quick. But this is what it looks like. And again, remember to adjust the pressure because if you don't, it might mess up your mat. Once you're done, just fold it in or fold it as you see there in half and just sew around. Be careful not to sew the opening at the bottom and the top. There's a round opening there because that is where your hand sanitizer, that's the U or the cup shape you see up there. That's where your hand sanitizer top will go into. This fits a 1 ounce and a 2 ounce hand sanitizer container. And as you can see there, literally 2 stitches and it's done. Now we're going to put the ring on there. You can use an O-ring or D-ring, whatever rings you feel like put in there to use to hold it. Put that in, run a stitch back and forth through it to make sure that stays intact. And you're almost done. You're going to need to add snaps to that as well because obviously you don't want your hand sanitizer falling out when you have to use it. So, or when you're not using it. So just get a good colored snaps. I wanted to add a pop of color to this, but then I changed my mind at the last minute and went with something that matches it a little bit. So just follow the instructions for the snaps. I have this also linked in my bio if you're interested in making one of these. It's very, very easy. And this is another one that's easy sew to sell. So make sure you're marking out where you're going to put your snaps. Use the hole punch. Put your hole in there and get it done. You can make these, like you can make 10 to 20 of these in an hour. I kid you not. Actually, you probably can make a lot more than that in an hour. And at the price point, which you can sell it for on Etsy, eBay, Amazon, and different places, hey, listen, this is a good one to use as a small business item. To sell as a small business item, you can also sell them at farmers markets or school functions and different things. And have fun with it. There's so many different faux leather designs out there. So this is one you can just make all with all the different faux leather patterns you have. Add glitter, make it fun. And from start to finish, I want to say this took me approximately 10 minutes to make this. So now let's go ahead and make sure it works okay. Put your snaps, take it off. I don't know if I'm the only person that does that, but I try to make sure it doesn't come off when I'm doing it. And this is a 1 ounce container. As you can see, it does have some room there for a 2 ounce. So I'll show you another in the next clip how it fits the 2 ounce. So this is with a 1 ounce, has a little bit of room at the top and the sides. And then we're going to try it out with a 2 ounce. So let's take this out and put in, this is the Purell bottle, 1 ounce. And this is it's similar to a Target bottle that you have. And I have a picture of the options you have so that when you purchase this design, you know what I'm talking about. And this is a 2 ounce one. And yes, this one uses up all the room you have in there, all the space you have in there. And it fits just right. So again, one that you can use for 1 or 2 ounces. I find myself, I typically carry a 2 ounce with me because I got kids, okay? That's all I can say. I got kids. Anyways, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you are not already doing so, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. To like, share, and follow. Have a wonderful day.